Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to save a grouped image in Excel as a JPEG. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to save group image as a JPEG. At first go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select multiple image, then click insert. Then resize the multiple image, then move side by side. Now I am select the multiple image, press and hold shift on our keyboard and select one by one. Then go to the picture format menu, select the group option, make it group, then click right button. We can see here not available the save as option. Now we want to save the group image as a JPEG. At first select the image, then go to the view menu and check mark of the grid line. Now we can see the background is white. Then take a screenshot, search the sniping tool and select your picture area, then save this image on your PC as a JPEG. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.